Moving can be stressful. Here's how we can help. Our services include sofa disassembly and reassembly, furniture assembly, window treatments, and furniture repair. So you're moving into a new apartment with your big bulky sofa. The only problem is that the stairwell seems a bit narrow. The arm of the couch measures 34 inches wide, and the width of the door measures 37 inches wide. So the couch should fit through the door, right? Wrong. The couch doesn't even make it through the stairs. So what are your options? You can either throw away this couch, or you can replace this couch with a new one, or you can have this one disassembled and reassembled in your new apartment. Sofa disassembly is safe and easy. Let's take a look at the process. See, that was easy. We offer professional service, 24-hour customer service assistance, and convenient payment options. Life can be complicated. Your move doesn't have to be. Visit us on the web at www.basicassembly.com or give us a call at 718-207-6464.